Hello, everyone. In today's session, we will discuss how management differs from the administration. Before understanding the difference between administration and management, let us understand the different management levels. There are generally 3 levels of management within an organization: top level, middle level, and lower level management. Each level of management has different roles and responsibilities in the organization. First is top-level management. Top-level management comprises senior executives such as CEOs, CFOs, and other high-level managers responsible for making strategic decisions affecting the organization's overall direction. They are responsible for setting the organization's vision, mission, and goals, and developing strategies for achieving them. Second is middle-level management. Middle-level management consists of managers responsible for implementing the strategies and plans developed by top-level management. They are accountable for setting departmental goals, creating procedures and policies, and coordinating the work of lower-level managers. Middle-level managers are also responsible for ensuring the organization operates efficiently and effectively. Third is lower-level management. Lower-level management comprises supervisors and other managers overseeing the organization's day-to-day operations. They manage employees, assign tasks, and ensure work is timely and within budget. Lower-level managers also communicate with middle-level management to ensure that goals and objectives are being met. Thus, top-level management sets the overall direction and strategy for the organization. Middle-level management implements the strategies and plans, and lower-level management oversees the organization's day-to-day operations. As all 3 levels' functions differ, the skills required to perform their roles will vary. According to Robert Katz's 3-skill approach to management, 3 essential skills are needed at different management levels: technical, human, and conceptual skills. A technical skill is a learned capacity in any field of work, study, or play. For example, the quarterback of a football team must know how to plant his feet and position his arm for accuracy and distance, both technical skills. Conceptual skills primarily revolve around generating ideas, combining creative intuitions, and a comprehensive context understanding. Human skills are required to communicate effectively with stakeholders and inspire and motivate employees. Top-level managers require strong conceptual skills to think strategically, analyze complex situations, and make decisions that affect the organization's overall direction. They also must possess strong human skills to communicate effectively with stakeholders and inspire and motivate employees to achieve the organization's goals. Technical skills are less critical at the top management level, but top-level managers should have a general understanding of the technical aspects of the organization's work. Lower-level managers require some conceptual skills to understand how their department fits into the organization's overall strategy. They also require human skills to communicate effectively with their team, resolve conflicts, and motivate employees to achieve goals. Technical skills are the most important at the lower management level, as lower-level managers are responsible for ensuring that tasks are completed correctly and efficiently. Middle-level managers require strong conceptual skills to analyze data, identify patterns, and develop plans and strategies aligning with the organization's goals. They require strong human skills to communicate effectively with employees, resolve conflicts, and motivate their team to achieve departmental goals. Strong technical skills are also required to understand the technical aspects of their department's work and ensure that tasks are completed correctly. In short, different levels of management require different combinations of technical, human, and conceptual skills. Top-level managers require strong conceptual and human skills. Middle-level managers require strong conceptual, human, and technical skills. Lower-level managers require strong technical and human skills. Now, let us discuss the differences between management and administration. Management and administration are two concepts that are often used interchangeably. In most cases, both functions are performed by the same people at different levels of the hierarchy. If you look at this figure, you will understand that all three levels of managers, top, middle, and low, perform both administrative as well as management functions. Top-level managers perform more administrative functions, while managers who are at a low level execute more management functions. Thus, management can be administrative management, which deals with laying down policies, and operative management, which deals with the execution of policies. So, in simple words, management is managing people at every level. It is done at the micro and macro levels, from an individual to a team. Within each level of the hierarchy, managers work to ensure a smooth workflow. On the other hand, the administration is at an upper level where high-level authorities are involved. This is done on a macro level. Both administrators and managers are involved in the basic functions of planning, organizing, leading, controlling, and decision-making. The difference lies in their application rather than meaning. The term administrations is generally used in government organizations, and management is used in business enterprises. Though administrators and managers do not perform different sets of functions, the relative importance of these functions varies at different levels. While policy formulation is done at higher levels, execution is done at lower levels. It is not really material whether policy formulation or execution is called administration or management. But different theorists hold different viewpoints. According to one viewpoint, the administration is above management and management is part of the administration. The administration is a top-level function concerned with framing organizational plans and policies. At the same time, management is a lower-level function concerned with the implementation or execution of plans and policies formulated by the top-level administrators. The administration is, therefore, broad and conceptual, and management is narrow and operational. According to the other viewpoint, management is above administration, and administration is part of management. These theorists consider that management is a top-level function concerned with framing organizational plans and policies, and administration is a lower-level function concerned with implementing the plans and policies. Let us not confuse overserves. Rather than arguing about the hierarchy, we should focus on the relative importance of these two functions. Policy formulation is an administrative job, and policy implementation is a management responsibility. Administrators will do more legislative functions or decisive functions, while managers will be more towards the execution side. So we can say that administrators will be top-level authorities who decide what is to be done and when is to be done. while managers will be positioned at mid and low levels to decide who will do it and how it will be done. Another confusion comes to mind is, are managers and leaders different? Leaders and managers are the two most important components of health system strengthening. While there is some overlap between the two roles, they require different skill sets and approaches. The key differences are in their focuses, vision, styles, relationship with subordinates, and roles within an organization. To be very straightforward, the key difference is that a manager manipulates resources by planning, organizing, and controlling to achieve a given goal or objective, while a leader appeals to the human side of employees to generate creativity and motivation. They inspire and motivate people to achieve a common goal. Leaders create a vision for the future of the organization and inspire people to work towards that vision. And managers implement the vision and make sure that work is being done efficiently. Leaders tend to be more visionary, creative, and flexible in their approach, while managers tend to be more structured, detail-oriented, and focused on following established procedures and rules. Leaders have a close and personal relationship with their subordinates and focus on empowering and developing them. On the other side, managers have a more formal relationship with subordinates and focus on assigning tasks and monitoring performance. Leaders play a key role in initiating change within an organization and inspire people to embrace the change. And managers play a key role in implementing change and ensuring that it is done effectively. There are some other theorists to justify or define the latter in many ways. For example, leaders always have followers. Leaders are those who create leaders.